Hey guys, what's going on? Thought I'd do a quick video and show you around my XR8. This is a 2005 BA Mark II XR8, 6-speed manual. I'm just getting her ready to put a blower on it, so I've got a Kenny Bell Supercharger coming to put on her. So I've started stripping down the engine bay at the moment because I've got to put a Ford Racing timing chain kit on it, built oil pump to go in, a few other little things. So also I've got to paint the engine bay. As you can see, it's still the factory like mercury silver. About 10 years ago I resprayed it into that breeze colour. I think it came out in the Mark IIs. So it's one of my favourite colours, so I just decided to respray it and did a colour change on it. So the only thing I never got to paint was the engine bay, but everything else is done except for the engine bay. So yeah, so while I'm doing this, I'm going to paint the engine bay while I've got it stripped down. I've got some new engine mounts to go in as well, as they're starting a little bit worn out. So I've got to do that as well. So yeah, I just recently upgraded the brakes on it, just because the factory brakes on these aren't that great. So I put genuine. It was off a BF F6 Typhoon 4-potters on the front Brembos. So I don't have any problems with RDR, like compliance and that with brakes, so they're all genuine, just fit straight on. Also on the rears I just put 4 pots on as well, just so it all kind of matched in. But these are brand new FGs, Brembos. They fit straight on the rear of the BAs and the BFs. They didn't really change, only the fronts changed. The FG fronts don't really fit properly. So yeah, I've got the BF on the front of the F6 and brand new FG 4 pots on the back. So yeah. The boot lid come off. The spoiler, I pulled that off when I resprayed it. Just give it a bit more sleek look. I'm thinking about putting a lip spoiler on there as well. So yeah, it's also, I put Pettis coilovers on it a few years ago. Heats better, rides a lot better, a lot stiffer. I just softened it up a little bit because the factory settings were a little bit stiff for when you just want to go for a cruise into the city or something. So I want to go, because I usually do long drives on this thing because I went in the country. So yeah, softened it up a little bit. It rides a lot nicer. What else I got? What else have I done to it? It's got genuine FPV cluster in the front there for the. It's just got oil pressure and voltage up there at the moment. I've got a new front bar going on it. I used to have an GT fiberglass front bar, fitted alright, but Mr. Body Kits makes a plastic bar now, so that's what I'm putting on. So it's a GT replica plastic bumper, so it fits up pretty good. It's in primer at the moment, it's got to paint it. So I'm in the stage of doing that as well. And yeah, I might replace the front seats and put some GTP seats in it later on too. But yeah, she's all pretty tidy in that. It's got the Cayenne screen in it. I think that's one of the first gen. I haven't really had any problems with this one. I usually run Android Auto, Apple CarPlay anyway, so it runs alright. I put the fat steering wheel on it as well, the GT steering wheel. And yeah. So that roof lining, I replaced that a few years ago. Just match it the same again. So they always fail trying to doing it. Yeah, so I thought I'd just give you a bit of a video because there's not much stuff with the Bosses. The Boss 260. So I used to have a FG Mark II F6. Awesome car. Went real quick, real tidy, real nice. But I ended up selling it just because they're just worth a lot of money. So, and I kind of got really, I was just like brought off the showroom floor and kind of like, I don't know, I just like the V8. I like to tinker around a bit more. Everyone's got a Barra, so if I stuff it, I'll put a blower on this because bloody they sound sick. Something different. Should be some more Boss stuff. I know it costs a lot more to get some power of them, but they're freaking cool. So yeah, so I thought I bloody got rid of the F6 and putting a blower on this thing. So I'm actually saving myself a bit of money. So yeah. Righto, leave you to it.